Archipelago Pavilion Author Houses by Alarcia Ferrer Arquitectos in ASCOCHINGA, Argentina. The development of the Archipelago Author Houses project, which includes the construction of 12 homes designed by 12 architecture studios, also includes the construction of a small pavilion in the forest of Estancia La Paz. In response to the need to create an exhibition space for the sale and promotion of author houses, a neutral space has been created to serve as a place to present models and projects of the emerging design development that offers new ways of living in La Paz. The flexible qualities of the space also allow for the possibility of new uses in the future. Its strategic location responds to the passage between the old town of Estancia La Paz, now transformed into a hotel, the bar of a golf course, and a panoramic tour around a lake. The conditions of the site determined a volume with 3 entrances or openings that act as hierarchical circulations, instead of a main facade, which gives rise to its triangular geometry. The main feature of the space is the possibility of completely opening or closing it, thanks to a series of 3 sliding walls 9 meters long that connect or separate it from the surrounding landscape, reconfiguring the immediate environment according to the needs of the moment. At times it functions as a small blind and anonymous space. Other times, its sliding surfaces move and embed among the trees, inviting them to cross them in all directions, allowing the passage of the visual and integrating with the environment. The glazed enclosures are hidden behind the blinds when they are open or enhance the immediate environment through reflection when they are closed. Their quality as objects in the landscape, as reference points and order of the place, can be traced back to sculptures by Richard Serra such as Sight Point, 1975, or Spiral Jetty, 1970. Finally, the logical structure of dry construction with black-painted metal tubes provides the necessary speed for an efficient construction process. In addition, the predominance of burnt wood cladding gives the building a distinctive color, texture, and expression that blends perfectly with the surrounding nature. The interior stone floors and finely crafted woodwork, intended to house the models of the house projects, stand out from the rest of the elements of the work. This situation is only appreciated when the space remains open.